everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got purses. $240 worth is what I spent on these purses. How many are in here? What do they look like? Are they your style? I have no idea. We bought them from a wholesaler, so they're going to be all brand new. But I don't know what kind of condition they're in. So let's go ahead and check them out. Alrighty. Open this box. Find all the amazing things that you want to buy for all your friends for Christmas. Ooh. Okay, here's our shipping list. This is a fan favorite. This sells literally seconds after we list them. This is a Paris tote bag. We got 2 of them this time. We were only ordering 1 at a time, and they were blowing out, and so finally we ordered 2. So they'll probably blow out too. So go, quick, hookedonpickin.com, they're there. All right, then we have, this is a mint. Oh, this one sold fast last time too.
I think this one sold on a fire sale.
Yes, it did. These are chevron leather crossbody bags.
Boom.
Soft leather. So just like that, and it comes with a long strap. Gold chain on it. Look at the cool tassel.
Filled with money.
Filled with, no, not filled with money. But it has a zipper on one side, little pockets on this side, and one big deep pocket. So that's a beautiful purse. What else we got in here? Ooh, this is cool. Oh, this is one of those, it hangs like crossways across your body. See?
Yeah, that's cool looking.
It's like a tactical backpack.
Camo green there.
Digital camo green.
It's like a prepper bag.
Prepper bag. And it's got an adjustable strap and the little latch thing there so you can carry all your pertinent prepper information and supplies. All right, that's a cool bag.
You're showing everything at the end, aren't you?
Yes, I will be pricing everything at the end of this video so you can see it right on hookedonpickin.com. What do we call it? What do we price it for? All that fun stuff. This looks like a new bag, maybe. Very loud. There we go. It says it's for Alyssa, but I think if your name is not Alyssa, you can still buy this bag. It's probably just the name of the style. It'd be bad if I bought a bag and all it said was Alyssa across it. No. Ooh, that's very soft leather. Crossbody style. Nice handbag. Look at the inside. Wild for the wild side. So it's got multiple compartments. Like the front. The front's got this little part right here. This is where I would put my cell phone or my keys. Stuff you need quick access to. So your pepper spray. You never know what people carry. I guess. I got the digital camo out, and that's where my brain went. All right. Cool black handbag. I'm going to open it all the way, because I can't really see it with the cardboard. Ooh, this is pretty. Queen bee.
Queen bee.
So it looks like that. Like that on that side. I bet there's a strap for a long shoulder strap. Let me look. Yep. Ta-da. Ooh. Bonus. Comes with a wallet that matches. Yeah, that is a cool, clever bag. It's got a flat bottom on it, see?
People have been telling us this Gucci-inspired.
Gucci-inspired, these Queen Bee ones?
Is it Beyonce that did the Queen Bee?
I think so. Oh, here's the, speaking of Queen Bee, here's the Queen Bee graffiti one. Yep, I'll show you the full picture when we price it. Here's a brown one. Brown graffiti. We were out of both of those. Ooh, oh, we sold these really fast. Okay, so these are American flag, distressed American flag wallets. Come on, come on, come on. There we go.
Nice.
Oh, it's like that. And it's got everything you need in there. Even got the little strap if you want to just make it a wristlet. So it's got all the card things there. Really cool.
Yeah, nice little Christmas gift.
Yeah, these are beautiful. So we got a bunch of those. We have more of them. Yes, we do. 2 more there. And what are these? 3, 4, 5. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 2. 8. 8 of the American flag wallets. Ooh, these are quilted wallets. Now that is a wallet. Oh, this is actually set up to be a crossbody purse. So it's got your wristlet there with some pockets. And then, what you want to bet, there's a long strap in here for, yes, to make it a purse. So this would be like one of, you just hang it, you know, on your crossbody style. So, doesn't go with my burgundy, but it would go with everything else. So, there's a red quilted wallet. So we'll price that on the store. And then here's another queen bee. Let's see what pattern this one is. It's the black one. Yes, look at that. And these all come with, all the queen bee ones that are this shape, all come with the crossbody strap on them. So it's got a really nice big compartment, and see.
And that's the maker of the Alba.
Yep.
So
that is everything in this box. We're going to go ahead and price everything and come right back at you. All right, everybody, we've got everything set up so you can see exactly how much each and every one of these handbags are for. And so don't forget, you can go straight to hookedonpickin.com. You can go to the drop-down menu. You can find the handbag, purses, and wallets, and it will populate all of the latest ones we just put on here. So super fun, and they're fantastic handbags. Also, don't forget to check out our weekly specials we have going on. You can go to weekly specials. All these items are discounted, and they're always available on hookedonpickin.com. They do change each and every week, and we have all of our different categories here, so check everything out. All right, so what do we have? We have the military canvas bag, sling backpack, digital camouflaged. We have that for $29.99. Super cool military canvas sling digital camo bag. And so it gives all the measurements right there. And then next we have the chevron quilted crossbody bag. We have replaced the green one. We tried to replace the blue one. They were out of stock. So we're going to try to do our best to put that one back if we can get it. $24.99 for the chevron quilted crossbody bag. Then we have the brown. Okay, so look at the difference. We have the brown zip flag one in the black one. The difference is the wristlet strap and then just this detail right here. So they basically look identical except for those. And so this is the brown one, $14.99. We will be on the lookout for the black colored one, but currently right now we have the brown in stock for $14.99. Really nice wallet. Then we have the Queen Bee Stripe Monogram 2-in-1 Dome Satchel Handbag purse that comes also with a matching wallet. So $49.99. It's faux leather, zip top closure, and all of the measurements are right there. So you get a 2-in-1 in this one, $49.99. Then we have the Multi-Graffiti Queen Bee Crossbody Bag, cell phone zipper purse, $34.99 for the Queen Bee there. And we have restocked the color black and this multicolored one with the red and green stripes. Then we have our tour illustration overnight weekend tote with the Paris on it. Really cool, nifty bag. Beautiful, beautiful colors on it. $39.99 for that. We have 2 available. Then we have, this is a new purse that's available on hookedonpickin.com, $39.99. The Fashion Whip Stitch Large Crossbody Bag. So cool pocket right here. Very soft leather, really nice. Then we have the Queen Bee Stripe Mini Crossbody Bag. We just added, so we have a brown one in stock, but we just added a black one. So this is the one that we have now in stock, $34.99. Check those out. They're really cool. Then last but not least, we have the quilted double zip crossbody wallet wristlet. We have various different colors. We just added a red one because we were sold out, but we do also have black and brown. And so check one out, and like I said, it actually turns out to look like an actual purse. So $16.99 for those. Those are pretty cool. And of course, check out all the latest things that you have on hookedonpickin.com. And of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.